ये हमेशा काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होता है ये जानने में कि हमारे फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटीज का घर, उनका सपनों का आशियाना अंदर से कैसा दिखता है। Well, what would you do if you would have been given a chance to actually go and visit the house of your favorite footballer, cricketer, or maybe the actor that you actually adore, a book writer that you really look up to, or a songwriter that you love listening to? Well, yes, आज Celebrity Homes में हम आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे कलाकार के बारे में who is indeed one of the highest paid cricketers and has actually represented our nation for many years. Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar remained one of the highest paid cricketers for several years during his incredible international career. Well, आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं उन्हीं के humble abode के बारे में और दिखाने वाले हैं कि कैसा दिखता है उनका ये luxurious सपनों का आशियाना only in Telechakar's Celebrity Homes with the Stars. Legendary batsman and former Indian team captain Sachin Tendulkar will go down in the annals of cricket as the greatest cricketer to play the purest formats of gentleman's game. Well, Tendulkar, who made his team India debut against Pakistan at the age of 16 in 1989, went to shatter a plethora of records with his elegant batsmanship. Well, there is no denying that Tendulkar's passion and style of playing the gentleman's game at the highest level will inspire generations after generation. Even Team India captain and modern-day great Virat Kohli considers the former cricketer as his own inspiration. While the legacy that the little master has left behind in the gentleman's game will actually always be immortal. Dubbed as the god of cricket, Tendulkar remains associated with the gentleman's game, and the custodian of the sport also spends quality time with his family post his retirement. Born and raised up in Mumbai, cricket legend Tendulkar reportedly owns a luxurious home in the financial capital of the nation. Talking about Tendulkar's expensive home in Mumbai, आइए चलिए देखते हैं how the luxurious or better the humble abode or maybe his सपनों का आशियाना actually looks from the inside. Well, Sachin Tendulkar इस पिक्चर में नजर आए अपने होम ग्राउंड गार्डन के अंदर एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से एंजॉय करते हुए, जहां उन्होंने बारिश का मजा उठाते हुए लिखा, My favorite camera woman यानी कि उनकी वाइफ captured me enjoying the simpler joys of life. Raindrops always bring back my childhood memories. The next photo and the video shows the luxurious and the gorgeous kitchen of Sachin Tendulkar that is a shade of grays and red all around the kitchen itself. Tendulkar नजर आते हैं अपने लिए वहाँ पे कुछ काम करते हुए, लेकिन साथ ही साथ the kitchen only and only oozes elegance out there. Coffee has always been a good friend to me is what Tendulkar had captioned in this particular video. The next area would be the पूजा घर, जहाँ पे तेंदुलकर वाकई में गणेश चतुर्थी की खुशियां मनाते हुए नजर आए हैं। उन्होंने अपने घर के इस कोने की पिक्चर शेयर करते हुए गणपति स्थापना का तस्वीर दिखाते हुए लिखा कि कैसे वो गणेश चतुर्थी के लिए कितना एक्साइटेड हैं। The next one being the sitting lawn area, जहाँ पे तेंदुलकर स्टेज पे अपने एरिया को या फिर ये कहें बैकड्रॉप में अपने प्लांट्स और अपने सेक्शंस को फ्लॉन्ट करते हुए नजर आए हैं। Even though this was a Diwali celebration, it seems like that the indoors and outdoors of Tendulkar's luxurious abode is something that is quite a spectacular one, और उनका टेस्ट वाकई में उनके घर के इनसाइड से काफी ज्यादा झलकता है। The next one being the drawing area, जहाँ पे तेंदुलकर is sitting and enjoying his own me time। जी हाँ दोस्तों, यहीं पे बैठ के तेंदुलकर अक्सर नजर आते हैं मुंबई या फिर ये कहें इंडिया को चेयर करते हुए क्रिकेट मैचेस में, और वहीं से वो करते हैं उनको कंग्रेचुलेट उनकी जीत पे और करते हैं मोटिवेट कभी ना कभी उनकी हार पे। The next one being the lawn and the garden area where Tendulkar can be seen with his kids enjoying a nice yoga session in the openly out area out there. Well, एक podcast में Tendulkar had revealed that the cricket legend had taken up the passion of reconstructing things at his home. Regarded as the most successful batsman in the two of the purest formats, Tendulkar used to enjoy repairing things inside his Indian dressing room. From reworking on the paintings, fan to glass windows of his luxurious abode, Tendulkar had revealed that he likes repairing and reconstructing things at his expensive residence. According to yet another portal, Sachin had bought a luxurious house in Mumbai with his wife Anjali Tendulkar. The Tendulkars made the real estate investment 3 years ago. The dream of the house is a Master Blaster is located at the Rustomjee season in Bandra Kurla complex, that is BKC in Mumbai. The Mumbai abode of legendary cricketer is 1600 square feet apartment that is reportedly registered in the name of Tendulkar's wife. The real estate investment was priced at 7.15 crores when it was sold to the legendary batsman back in 2018. Tendulkar is one of the most followed sports celebrities on Instagram. The former Team Indian skipper often uploads photos and videos from his humble abode in Mumbai itself. The expensive house where Tendulkar resides features 2 car parks, and the show apartment comes with a blend of Indian and Western design influences. The Master Blaster is also a proud owner of a luxury car. According to some reports, Tendulkar had shifted his extravagant bungalow, which is located in Bandra's Preddy Cross Road, in 2011. While the 6,000 square feet bungalow was reconstructed on a plot purchased by the Master Blaster for a huge amount of 39 crores in 2007. The report added that another real estate investment of Tendulkar's wife, Anjali, was brought by a businessman for almost an amount of 145 crores in March 2018. Tendulkar remained one of the highest paid cricketers for several years during his incredible international career that spanned over almost 2 decades in all. Well, ये कहना सही होगा, जहां लोग लग्जरी को चुनते हैं अपने कंफर्ट के ऊपर, सचिन ने एक बहुत ही मिडिल ग्राउंड निकाला है। उन्होंने लग्जरी के साथ साथ ढूंढ लिया अपने हम्बल अबोर्ड में अपने लिए एक बहुत ही प्यारे तरीके से कंफर्ट, एंड वो चीज वाकई में उनके इस घर, उनके इस आशियाने से काफी ज्यादा झलकती है। बोला आप हमारे साथ अगले हफ्ते फिर जुड़िएगा एक और ऐसे कलाकार के घर यानी कि उनके खूबसूरत आशियाने के बारे में जानने के लिए। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.